Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you if voice typing is not working from your keyboard, what things you should have see. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So suppose let us open this one keyboard, and here if you are typing, then any mic symbol is not coming here, means you cannot speak and type here. In that case, what you need to do, just go to the setting and go to the general management, and in general management go to the keyboard list and defaults, and here you see Google voice typing, and these are not activated, so just tap it on, activate it. Okay, now go back, and then go and type something. Just here you can see the mic is working, and if we enable it, now I can write anything without typing. So, and I can send this. So now this is working. That's all what I want to show you. If voice typing is not working on your phone, then this is the way how you can activate voice typing from your keyboard. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much guys.